Waves on swim. Swoop! Do you not see this? What is it, you guys? It's your favorite girl Roya here, back at it again with another video. And today I'm coming to you wow, looking like a ferocious beast, looking like a lion. But today I'm going to be doing my slick down ponytail attempt here. So let's get started. And yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is drench the hair. Water in a water bottle. And a water spray is key, guys. Key. Alright, so I'm just going to spray my hair. Drench. Soak. Let me take off my glasses. Soak the hair. In the middle, on the ends. Alright. Now that the hair is soaked, maybe a little bit more. Okay, the hair is soaked. Soaked to the best of my ability. Now it's wet. Wet enough that I can slick it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my handy dandy rat tail comb, and I need my glasses again because I can't see. All right, now I'm gonna get the rat tail comb, part it, whatever side you want to part it, doesn't matter. But I like this side, and I take it. My hair is not detangled, so I gotta use my fingers. Take it, get that part. Let me zoom you out in. All right, we zoomed in. I'm gonna get that part. Boom. We got a part. I'm gonna take some of my Cream of Nature's mousse here. This is the argan oil one. Take some of that, put it where you want it to be sleek, and then go down the hair. All right, now that we have that, we're going to take some of this curling milk here just to smooth everything down. Boom. Rub it in and take it down to here, to the back. Can't forget the back, cannot neglect the back. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy Eco Styler gel. Eco. My baby. Take that, take a hefty amount, rub it through the hair, make sure you get the edges, okay? Alright, this is the part where we're going to start sleeking the hair back. Okay, we're just gonna sleek it down first. We're not gonna do anything else, but sleek it down. finished yet, so I'm just gonna put the scrunchie just in place, okay? Just for now. But I want to keep sleeking all the hair down to the back. Okay. You see that? Sleek. You can't get any sleeker than that. Now, we're gonna use the trusty Gorilla's not here. And this is gonna further hold the hair down for the day. Like you don't want this to move now. You don't want it to move. So we're gonna take this, glop it on, because we don't want the hair to move. Like we don't want it to go nowhere, boo-boo. Nowhere. Now we're gonna take it out of that scrunchie since we have it all sleeked back. So I'm gonna do a low pony. So I'm gonna do it low, okay? So the low. All right. So ponytail, and then we're gonna take that last one. I don't know if I should turn. We're gonna take that last one and just swoop it and hold it. And then we're gonna take whatever hair is left and wrap it around. And then if you want it bigger, make it bigger. And there you go. That's the easy part, guys. The easy part. Now that we have it, we're gonna do the baby. We're gonna do the baby hair. We're gonna do the baby hair. My edges, whatever you wanna call it, baby hair edges. We're gonna okay, they're out. They look like this. Okay? Now we're gonna take some water, spray that little toothbrush. Okay? And then we're gonna swoop. Boom. Swoop. Take this side. Swoop. Sometimes better when you take the comb. Swoop. Swoop, there we go. And then do it again. Let me take off my glasses. Swoop. Take the comb just to deepen the part. Put on my glasses again because I can't see. All right, now we got the swoops. We're gonna do this side. Swoop. Sometimes it's even easier when you have a comb. And then go back with the toothbrush and swoop. And then we're gonna take it. All right. Swoop. So, focus, focus. Come on. I just finished doing my edges. I don't know what happened, cut off. But I finished my edges. I hope it was enough for you guys to see what I do to my baby hairs, my edges, whatever you want to call it. hope it was enough for you to see, but I put my scarf on. Now we're gonna take this bad boy off to show you the final results. And make sure you have your scarf on for at least 10 minutes. Let me look in the mirror real quick. All right, whoosh. Oh, hold on. Who am I? What is this? Do you not see this? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hold on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because we lit over here all the time. We just lit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And yes, I'm just so amazed at how this looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!